Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, The Simple Dad. In today's video, I want to show you the new features of iOS 14.2 on the iPhone 6s. The size of the update was about 770 megabyte and it took about 50 minutes to update. That was a very long time and the phone did get hot. Now this update has brought a lot of cool things to the iPhone 6s, which I'm really happy about, and I want to show you all the updates in this video. So the first update is that iOS 14.2 has added over 100 new emojis, characters like the dodo bird, ninja, bubble tea, and many other cool emojis. The only issue with these emojis are that if you're sending it to someone who is on the old iOS 13, then they won't see the new emojis. If you're sending it to someone who is on iOS 14, then they'll be able to see it as normal. Another new feature of the iOS 14.2 is the new wallpapers which they have added. So there are a total of 8 new wallpapers which they have introduced. To access it, you need to go into Settings, Wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper, then Stills, and then scroll down and you could see a couple of different options. Scroll through the wallpaper and set which you would like to be your wallpaper. These wallpapers also support the dark mode of the iOS 14. The next feature is a Homepod intercom option, where if you have an Apple Homepod, you can use it as an intercom device between the iPhone and the Homepod, so you can keep in touch with your family members. Using the Home app, you can set these up and you can add your closest family members to the list. iOS 14.2 have also introduced a new feature in the control panel section where it can recognize songs for you. So this works very similar to the Shazam app, but this is already preloaded in iOS 14.2 for you. You can add it to the control center by going into Settings, Control Center, and then it's called Music Recognition. Now if you go back to the home screen and bring up the control center, you'll notice a Shazam icon at the bottom. Now to use it, you need to make sure a music is being played in the background and then tap on the icon. The app will start to recognize the music and will give you a status at the top of the screen. If you click on the status, it'll then go to the song in Safari. I think this is a really useful option as you don't need to download an additional application, you can just do it from your control center. The next feature is the Airpod optimization charging feature. The optimized battery charging feature is designed to reduce battery aging and extend the overall lifespan of your AirPods battery. Unfortunately, I don't have an AirPods connected to this iPhone. This update will also reduce battery aging and the AirPods will learn from your daily charging routine so they can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use them. So the answer to most of your question is, should you go ahead and update your iPhone 6s to the new iOS 14.2? What I can tell you is, yes, you should update your iPhone 6s to the latest iOS, as this will bring you new features and new security updates to make your iPhone more user-friendly and more secure. So far, I have not seen any of my apps crash, and I have played many games on this iPhone, such as Among Us and Mario Kart, and other apps like Instagram and many more. Battery life is a problem on the new iOS 14, but you need to consider this is a 5-year-old phone and I have not replaced the battery on this phone. It does get hot when you play games or when you run CPU intensive apps like Photoshop or screen recording. The transition from iOS 13 to iOS 14 was quite seamless and I didn't notice any lag or slowness in the apps opening or swiping between home screen and apps. The transition and the animation is quite smooth as I can see. My main concern was the stability and the features of the new update, which has basically surpassed my expectations and I'm really glad I updated it. I am looking forward to the new iOS 14.3 update and will update you guys on what new features they're introducing in that. So that's it guys, I've covered most of the new features that have been introduced in the new iOS 14.2 update. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Hopefully I'll try to answer it all, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel as it really helps this channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.